6 of review exercise. And one more thing, you must write these questions on your classwork registers and submit on Saturday. Okay, so now question number 4. In question number 4, convert the following decimal into rational number. We have to convert the given rational numbers into given decimal numbers into rational numbers. Part number 1 is 0.375. 0.375. You know that to convert any decimal number, what is a decimal number? A number that involves a point and one and decimal part and a real part, that is called decimal number. And how we convert it into a rational number, I write the answer here. But first of all, I solve it. 0.375 divided by, we place 1 just below this point and then write 0. How much zeros, how much digits are on the right side of this point? As there are 3 digits on the right side of point, so here I place 3 zeros like this. Okay, now we get the answer, that is 375 divided by 1000. Now look at here, this is last digit, that is 5, and this is last digit, that is 0. 5 and 0 are only divide on one digit, that is 5. So I divide it on 5. 5 7 the 35. 2 carry, when 2 carry it become 25. 5 5 the 25. Now look at here, 5 to the 10, remaining are 2 zeros, so I write here 2 zeros. Now again both will be cut on the table of 5. 5 1 the 5, 2 carry, it become 25. 5 5 the 25. Now look at here, 5 4 the 20, 0. Again this is 0, this is 5. Again it will be divide on the table of 5, so here I write 15, here 40. 5 3 the 15, 5 8 the 40. Now 3 and 8 can't divide on the same table, so 3 and 8 is the simplest form, so I get the answer, that is 3 by 8, that I write here. You must write this process on your classwork register, and when we are solving the equation, you can't write directly answer like this. So this is the answer of this question, 3 by 8, 3 over 8. Now next question is, now I am solving part number 3. Remaining part number 2 is too much easy, you can solve yourself. So now I am solving is part number 2. Its part number 2 is 0.5. 0.5. Now this is a decimal number, we have to convert it into a rational number. In rational number we have to write in a fraction form. So now this is a too much short question, so I solve here 0.5. How we solve it? Just write 1 below the cut the decimal cut this point and write 1 just below this point, and then write 0. How much 0? How much digits on the right side of point? There are only 1 digit, so write only 1 0 on the just below the this fraction. So here we get 5 over 10. 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, we get the answer, that is 1 over 2. Now I am solving is part number, sorry, this is part number, this is part number not 2, this is part number 3. Part number 3, correct it. Now I am solving is part number 7. Remaining parts are too much easy, you can solve yourself. That is 2.34. 2.34, we have to convert it into a decimal number, so in a rational number, so to write it in the rational number we write in the form of fraction. So here 2.34, we write 1 just below the point and cut the point and write zeros. How much zeros, how many digits on the right side of decimal point? There are 2 zeros. So here we get 234 over 100. Both can be cut on the table of 2 because 4 is even number, 4 is divisible on 2 and 0 is also divisible on 2. So we cut it on the table of 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, 1 carry, 40, it becomes 14, 2 7 the 14, 2 5 the 10, 0. Here we get the answer, that is 117 divided by 50. We can't divide it anymore because both are not divisible on any number, so it is a simplest form and this is the answer. Now I am solving is question number 5. In question number 5, convert the following into decimal fraction and identify terminating and non-terminating fractions. So, I am solving its part number 1. This is in a form of rational number, in the form of fraction. We convert it into the decimal. So, here I write the answer. First of all, I divide it 4. To convert a fraction into a decimal, we have to divide it. Here I write 5. You can see 4 is not divisible on 5. 4 is smaller than 5, so here we write 0 point. When we place point, here we write 0. 5 8 the 40. 40 is the answer. Sorry, 0.8 is the answer. That I write here 0.8. This is terminating. This is what? This is terminating because there are limited digits on the right side of point. That's why that is only 8. That's why it is terminating. Now I am solving its part number 5, that is non-terminating. Its part number 5 is 22 over 7. This is our fraction, rational number. We have to convert it into a decimal. So to convert it into a decimal, we divide it 20 over 7. How we divide it? 22 over 22 over 7. 7 3 the 21. When we subtract, here we get 1. 1 is less than 7, we place here point, here 0. 7 1 the 7, remaining will be 3. 7 due to point, due to this point, here we place 0. 7 4 the 28, here remaining will be 2. 7 2 the 14, here we get 6. Again we place 0. 7 8 the 56, remaining will be 4. It is not ending, you can see it is carry on. So here we get 3.1428. This is non-terminating. This is non-terminating. Now I am solving is question number 6. In question number 6 is too much easy. In question number 6, what do we have to do? We have to round off. How we can round off? Let's see. Part number 1. Its part number 1 is 4.5. We have to round off till 2 decimal places. 4.5723. We have to round off till two decimal places till 57. 4.57. First of all, we remove 3. 3 is less than 5, that's why we do not change 2, we write it as it is. Then 4.57, 2 is smaller than 5, so we do not add 1 in 7. Now I am solving is part number 2. Part number 2 is 107.328. We have to round off till two decimal places, like till 32. So its answer is 107.3. As 8 is greater than 5, so we add 1 in 2, here we get 33. Now I am solving is part number 3. Part number 3 is 5.7395. We have to round off till two decimal places. When we so now first of all we remove 5.73, as 5 is greater than 5 is equal to 5, so we add 1 in 9. When we add in 9, it become 10. 10 0 1 carry, 1 is added in 3, so it become 4. So answer will be 5.74. this is the answer. There are only two remaining questions, 4 and 5, that are too much easy, you can solve yourself. If you have any problem